Today we will be showing different ways to protect against skin cancer. The first way is sunscreen. Sunscreen contains something called SPF or sun protection factor, which protects your skin from the sun's powerful UV rays. The higher the number of SPF, the longer the protection will last. The Rendon Center of Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine sent us 5 different types of sunscreen samples, which we will be talking about.
Our first sunscreen sample is from Neutrogena. It is the Mineral Invisible Daily Defense Base Liquid. This one has 30 SPF, and that's actually the most recommended by a dermatologist. Anything under will still work, just not as good. All of our sunscreens actually have a skin cancer warning on the back, which says that this can prevent early stages of skin cancer. Mineral sunscreen contains minerals that create a physical barrier between the sun and your skin. This specific sunscreen is just for your face. The difference is that face sunscreen is lighter and it's not as irritable, and body sunscreen is a little thicker. This one is also waterproof for 80 minutes after it's applied.
The next sample is pretty much the same thing except it's tinted. This means that it has added pigments to create a glow on your skin, as if you were wearing foundation. This sample also contains vitamin E, which is known to protect cell damage. In this case, it is protecting your skin cells from sun damage.
Another sunscreen by Neutrogena is the Mineral Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Lotion. This lotion is fragrance-free, which means it's great for people with allergies. Dry touch lotion means that it doesn't feel greasy or sticky when you apply it. It also is water resistant for 80 minutes after you apply.
Our fourth sample is the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This time it has 50 SPF instead of 30. Hyaluronic acid helps with anti-aging, so I would recommend it for older people. This sunscreen is also a moisturizer, meaning it can be replaced with your regular moisturizer in your daily skincare routine.
Our next sunscreen is from Sunscreen, and it's the Advanced Hydration Sunscreen with 50 SPF. This sample is really similar to the one we just talked about, so I'm not going to go too much into detail. This one is water resistant for 80 minutes after you apply. This sunscreen also has hyaluronic acid and humectants, which is a common ingredient in moisturizers. It's also hypoallergenic, so it's less likely to give people allergic reactions. This one has a 5 AOX shield, which is good for skin health.
Our last sample is the Age Defense Sunscreen by Sunscreen again. It has hyaluronic acid and it's hypoallergenic. It also has a 5 AOX shield.
There are a few types of clothing that you can wear to protect against skin cancer. Some examples are hats, visors, long sleeve shirts, and pants. Some fabrics have a high UPF or ultraviolet protection factor. Dark colored and tightly woven fabrics are known to have a higher UPF. The most recommended fabrics to wear is nylon or polyester. Cotton is one of the fabrics that has a lower UPF. The photos you're about to see are when we talked to the Girl Scouts in our troop during a meeting, and we basically told them what our project was about and everything we said in these videos, and we let them ask questions. So just an explanation. Another thing we did was work with a soccer coach, and we went to one of the soccer games and we handed out the pamphlets that you saw at the end of the first video, and we handed out the sunscreen samples that you just saw to the kids that were playing in the soccer game, because our focus, as you know, is young athletes in South Florida.